Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you an overview of what Discovery Education was. So I'm just going to show you this little demo on exactly what all it can provide for us. I know when I knew Discovery Education back probably about 8 years ago when I used it, it was just mainly there was some curriculum and mainly some videos, but now they have so many more aspects that we can use and make our classrooms more engaging, especially with the science and social studies. I feel like this is the key for it, using Discovery Education. But I just wanted to give you an overview so that you can get your own opinion about it and what you feel and see if it's something that we could use in our district. This is just showing after you log in what you would have access to in the different parts. So this is what is going over for you. Quick access. I don't know about you, but I love the variety of how you can find it by the standards and how you can just link it to our infinite canvas that we're going to be using. Also, I think it's a way that, especially in our library and research, how they can really use it, and it's a safe place to find everything. So these are just some different ways that you can use it. Of course, there's many more. So they already have ready use activities. Of course, we want to save time. You can also assign them to students as a group or as a full, or you can just use them as an instructional tool to lead your topic, or maybe to review, or even like create a quiz as they already have, or they already have some quizzes already made. And I love the virtual field trips, but of course this is just my opinion, and we want to see what you think about your purchase, if we should purchase Discovery Education. So I really want you to go through and see if this is something you would use, and why we would need it, and really dive deep in, is this something that we should go out and purchase. I truly love how this really incorporates everything. Yes, there's so many resources out there that are free, like Kahoot and Quizzes and Gimkit and all that. And we can go and search for videos on YouTube, but Discovery Education, it looks like it has all of that embedded into one platform. And that's just my opinion. I just going through and watching it just like you, and this is the things that I'm pointing out. So it allows for creativity, collaboration, and it allows for engagement. So this is just an overview of Discovery Education. You can go through and sign up for the free virtual demo request just like I did. To learn more about it, just in case if I didn't go into it enough, I just figured that going through that and sharing with you will give you an overview of Discovery Education. And now it's just up to you if you feel like you would use it in your classroom, if it will help bring technology into your classroom, make learning more engaging for the students on individually or as a group, or even with your instruction to help improve your instruction by using this. Again, there's different types of curriculums that's going to be available: science, social studies, math, STEM, coding, and much more. I really think those are areas that we kind of all struggle with: is science, social studies, and math. And this Discovery Education will allow for the resources that we need to help that. And again, it's all in one platform, and it can be linked to our Canvas, and it's all there. Instead of going to all these different resources, it's all in one. But again, go back over through the videos and see what you think, and just let us know by filling out the form if you feel that Discovery Education will be beneficial for you to use with your students in the classroom, and as for you as an educator with your instruction. Thank y'all.